Hi, my name is Gesele, and here at Mount Tahoma, we are adaptable. In August, the President issued a presidential memorandum directing a temporary suspension of the 6.2% employees normally pay towards Social Security. The suspension took effect September 1st and is through the end of the year. This applies to individuals who receive a paycheck of less than $4,000 every 2 weeks or $104,000 a year, and does not include those who are retired or unemployed. If you work 80 hours every 2 weeks at $50 an hour, which caps you at the $4,000 limit, you would see an extra $248 per paycheck for the remainder of 2020. If your earnings are less than $50 an hour, let's say $15 an hour, then the increase in your paycheck will be less. It will be about $74 more in each paycheck for the remainder of 2020. There are 9 pay periods left in 2020, so you can do the math to figure out what your total increase will be. The payroll tax cut, as it's incorrectly referred to, is a deferral. A tax cut implies a reprieve, employees not having to pay anything back at all. However, this is not the case. This money, the Social Security tax, will have to be repaid. So instead of 6.2%, employees will have to pay 12.4% for the first 4 months of 2021, unless Congress decides to forgive that debt. So every dollar increase you receive through the remainder of 2020 will be collected between January 1 and April 30 next year, on top of restarting collections for Social Security on your 2021 paycheck. Again, if your Social Security taxes were deferred, they will be recouped at the exact same amount in 2021, plus your new deductions on 2021's earnings. Now, if you need the money, fine. Just be prepared to pay it back beginning January 1, because only Congress has the authority to forgive taxes, and they have not made that decision. If you don't need the money or want to avoid that 12.4% deduction come January, you have 2 options. 1, ask your employer if you can opt out. Because the deferment is not mandatory, some companies will not participate. Federal employees and service members, however, do not have the option to opt out. The second option is to set that money aside for the time being. A temporary boost to your paycheck for the remainder of 2020 may result in much smaller paychecks early next year. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.